Are there secrets to getting cheap Broadway tickets last minute? Imagine walking into Times Square and snagging a ticket to a hit Broadway show without breaking the bank. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's more possible than you think. Many people wonder if there are tricks to getting affordable tickets on short notice, and the answer is yes. One of the most popular ways is visiting the TKTS discount booths run by the Theater Development Fund. These booths are located in Times Square and Lincoln Center. They sell same-day tickets at discounts of up to 50%. The Times Square booth opens at 11 in the morning for matinee shows and at 3 in the afternoon for evening performances. It stays open until about 8 in the evening. The Lincoln Center booth is a bit less crowded and is open every day except Sundays and Mondays. If you arrive early, you have a better chance of choosing your seats. Sometimes, tickets are released closer to curtain time, so patience can pay off. They also offer a 7-day fast pass, which lets you skip the line if you plan to visit again within a week. Buying tickets at TKTS supports programs that help make theater accessible to more people across New York State. Another great option is the digital lottery and rush tickets. Many Broadway shows run daily lotteries through their official websites or apps like Todaytix. You enter your name into a drawing, and if you win, you can buy tickets at a deep discount. Rush tickets are sold on a first-come, first-served basis just before the show starts. These are limited in number but can be very affordable. Online platforms like Broadway Box, SeatGeek, and NYTix also offer last-minute deals and discount codes. These sites gather available tickets and sometimes have exclusive offers. They let you compare prices and pick the best seats for your budget. Resale apps and seat selection tools are helpful too. Some services show real-time ticket availability, including last-minute resales where prices might drop as the showtime nears. These tools often include seat views so you can see what you're getting before buying. For shows that are very popular, standing room-only tickets or seats with limited views are sometimes sold at lower prices close to curtain time. These options let you experience Broadway without paying full price. To get the best deals, arrive early at TKTS booths, download apps for lotteries and rush tickets, and stay flexible about showtimes and seating. Checking multiple sources for discounts can also help. These strategies reflected New York's rich performing arts scene and its effort to make Broadway accessible to everyone. Using these tips, you can enjoy the magic of Broadway even if you're booking last minute. It's all about knowing where to look and being ready to act quickly.